Over the years, mental health has been treated just as seriously as physical health, given that the person's mental well-being may affect even the person's physical health down the line. Mental health surveys were developed to do numerous things, such as knowing the most common mental health disorders, either within a specific community, city, state, country, or even the whole world. Another thing that surveys can do is determine the reason behind a person's mental illness. Here at Carepatron, we have a mental health survey template that was created as a pre-first appointment survey for a patient. A person's mental health, more or less, is a touchy subject and can be difficult to talk about on the part of the patient. What the survey template will do is set the grounds for discussion once they start seeing you for mental health therapy. This template was designed to be answered as soon as the first appointment has been scheduled. If they scheduled the appointment in person, you or your assistant should hand a copy to the patient for them to answer on the spot. The following healthcare practitioners can use this mental health survey template for their respective practices: psychologists, psychiatrists, therapists, counsellors, and the nurses and assistants of the practitioners. To use our mental health survey, follow these steps. Download the mental health survey plan off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Firstly, the patient must fill out their general information. They need to include their full name, date of birth, gender, indicate the date of their appointment, current date, and their relationship status. Next, the patient must answer the series of questions. The survey is straightforward and easy to answer. It's a mixture of multiple choice and sentence questionnaires. Examples of the questions are: do you currently have any concerns regarding your mental health? And do you drink and/or smoke? Once you received a fully accomplished survey, it's best that you sit down and keep in mind their answers, especially the sentence answers. These should help you frame and structure your first appointment with them. Here is a sample of our mental health survey from our Carepatron platform. To find our mental health survey, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.